In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Beehiiv. First, open Beehiiv and head to your dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the option labeled Start Writing. This is your entry point to building a simple, focused landing page inside Beehiiv. Even though it says writing, think of it as creating a page that clearly communicates your message and collects signups. At this point, you can choose to begin with a blank draft or jump in using a template. If you're confident in your layout and copy, a blank draft gives you maximum control. If you want a head start on structure and styling, use a template. Templates are designed to save time and help your landing page look polished right away. Browse the template library to see different styles and purposes. You'll find options that emphasize headlines, sign-up forms, visuals, or longer descriptions. Take a moment to preview a few and pick one that aligns with your goal. When you find a template you like, click it to open an editable draft. Now the fun part begins, customizing. Start by editing the text. Replace placeholder headlines with a clear, benefit-driven statement. Your headline should explain what visitors get and why it matters. Add a short subheading to clarify your value proposition, and refine any body text so it stays concise and focused. If there's a sign-up form, add a simple call to action like join now or get updates, and keep the form fields minimal to reduce friction. Next, adjust the typography. Choose fonts that reflect your brand and are easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Limit yourself to one or two complementary fonts, one for headlines and one for body text, to keep the page clean and consistent. Make sure sizing creates clear hierarchy, bold, larger headlines, comfortable, legible body copy. Then tune your colors. Use a primary brand color for buttons and key accents and pair it with neutral backgrounds and text for contrast. High contrast improves readability and accessibility, which helps more visitors engage with your page. If your template includes images or illustrations, swap them for visuals that support your message and feel on brand. Keep customizing until the page feels personal and cohesive. Align spacing, check that buttons are prominent, and ensure links point to the right places. Read everything aloud to catch awkward phrasing and skim on mobile to confirm it looks great in a narrow layout. When your copy is clear, your design is consistent, and your call to action stands out, your Beehiiv landing page is ready to share.